Sometimes our projects require precision dyeing along a stitch line or in very tight spaces on a panel where you're changing colors. Well, here's a quick tip. You can pick up one of these animal syringes at your local farm and fleet store, tractor supply company, or the like. Just as the name implies, these things are ideal instruments, and I'm going to show you how I use it. As far as I have discovered, the trick to using this technique is to work as straight up and down as possible. That'll minimize any types of streaking or drips in case you overfill a line or overfill a detail. But if you take your time and work slowly enough, and you're patient, this technique works perfectly. Just line up the syringe into each individual pocket or spot, stitch line, whatever you happen to be working with, and lightly tap the plunger. This is all about finesse. Once you get the hang of it, it goes very quickly. Admittedly, this technique may seem a little bit meticulous, and it is time-consuming. However, there's times where you don't want to wipe down an entire project along a stitch line and risk creating a streak or a darker patch. If you're working with a panel that's got multiple colors, you may not have any other choice than something that is this precise. It's my hope that you got something out of this video, and maybe it gave you an idea next time you're working on one of your leather projects. If it did, you know I'd appreciate that thumbs up like. Follow us on Instagram and you may have seen this mask before we even made a video about it. And maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.